Today's topic, subfunctions of validation, and discrimination. Okay, we have three types of subfunctions of validations are there. First one, hashing, and the second one, filtering, third one, analyzing file headers. Okay, analyzing file headers. What is meant by hashing? Okay, hashing is done by only validation time. Okay, hashing is done so that data validation can be done by using the hash values only. The hashing is done by using the hash values only. Most of the forensic tools and disk editors have one or more types of data hashings are there. Okay, only two or more data hashings are used by forensic tools. Okay, forensic tools. The use of hashing depends upon the type of investigation. Okay, it depends upon type of investigation. It produces only a unique hexadecimal value. Unique hexadecimal values of that particular data. Okay, no changes in the original data. Okay, Okay, hashing algorithm on the whole original data or original drive on this file. Okay, hashing is done on the data validation by using hash values. Next, two or more data hashing techniques. Data hashing techniques are used by forensic tools. Hashing is depend upon the type of investigation. It produces a unique value. Not only unique, it produces a hexadecimal value. And no changes in original data. And the second type is filtering. What is meant by filtering? Okay, we have a hash value. Okay, we have to filter the good hash value. We have a list of hash values are there. We select only good. Okay, we have to select only good hash value. By the installation of OS, we are related applications by installation of OS. Related applications are the spreadsheet, text files, so on up to some other examples are there. Okay, and third one is the analyzing file headers. What is meant by analyzing file headers? It is one type of method. It will check the information. It is one type of the discriminating data. It is a one method. Okay, it will be checked the total information by using the hash values, the list of known files. Analyzing file headers include analyzing and verification of the header values. Okay, analyzing and verification of the header values. This is all about subfunctions of validation and discrimination.